Hello y'all, I'm Connor. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to Cars and Copters. It's in Massachusetts. They haven't done it in, I heard, over a decade. So I'm glad to be going there. Obviously I'll be taking my ST, the wide body ST, which I spent all night buffing it out. And look at that shine. I mean, I always have imperfections and rock chips, but the shine is what matters. And the mirror-like effect is amazing. I love it. And I like to use the Meguiar's one-step compound. Pretty much it's a compound and polish. You don't really have to do anything after. So I just do wax on top. I use the orbital buffer from Bauer. And that's how I got my shine. I've been meaning to replace you. I just don't oftenly turn these three lights on, so stop it. Also, I've been trying to strip out these wheels. There was just so much black going on. Like, they weren't even glossy. They were satin or matte. They were just spray painted from wherever I bought them on Facebook. And I think the silver's looking a lot better on the black. It really brings it out. I'm having an issue on these two back wheels. Kind of cooked, not gonna lie. But I've been stripping them and sanding them down. It's not really working. And in the sunshine too. Woohoo! Gorgeous. Man. That thing is gorgeous.
Not the 600. Yeah.
And it's gated.
Actually, you'd be surprised. Look at.
Track Rock Scare on the S2K. That is a beautiful Cougar. AMG DTR.
Never seen a Mystic Chrome before? Nah, I've never seen Mystic Chrome cars. I've seen an old Mystic.
It's a nice RTR.
It's definitely better, but it's also not painted.
911 Dakar. Supra. Ooh, good condition. So gorgeous. Rally Fiesta. Never get enough of Miatas. That's beautiful. I think it's beautiful.
Not with their warranty though. Yeah, the warranty. You can't go above the.
Clean Porsche. I love the runny egg. Nice livery.